Today I'm going to be making a soap for my cousin, and I know her favorite soap is the Thieves Essential Oil, and that has a bunch of different essential oils in it. It's clove, lemon peel, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, tangerine, and nutmeg. So it's kind of powerful. It's funny you don't like making soap with fragrances you like. I always like something sweet. But I'm going to make this one for her. And then I sent her a box of soap for Christmas. And she told me she liked the pink one. So I'm like, okay, what is the pink one? I've made so many. Pink is my favorite color. So it's either pink sugar, raspberry truffle, Snow Fairy, the Lush Dupe, the Sex Bomb, the Lush Dupe, Baby Grace. I just don't know which one it is. So I'm just going to maybe make them all for her. So we're starting with the yellow. Not exactly what colors to use with this scent, so I just picked out some. Okay. So we've got our yellow in. We're going to let that set up a little bit. I might not let it get real hard and pour my, it's like a burgundy on top. See if it'll kind of do a little bit of a swirl or blend in. These are really strong. So we'll just wait a couple minutes. I think I'm going to pour it now a little bit and see what happens. That was set up already. Let's see if we can mess it up a little bit. Get a little bit of a swirl in it. Bring it down. This one might have set up. Making a mess. Okay, let's spritz that one. So we're going to let this set up just a little bit, and then I'm going to come back with a couple darker colors. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our brown layer in. I'm going to spritz the top. Darn, these are strong. As they'd say in Minnesota, Uff Dah. No pretty powdery scent at all. It'll clear everything right up. Okay, we're going to let that set a minute. Okay, we're going to give them one more spritz. And I don't have a whole lot of the burgundy colors, so it'll be a thin layer. Hope I have enough. I think I need to make some wax tarts for people who like this scent. Go ahead and spritz them, let them set up a little bit. I have just a little bit of brown left, and I'll maybe pour it over the top one more time. Okay, let's see if this will go in or stay on top. It's gonna go in. That's okay. Give it a little bit of a swirl. I had also made some green, but I was worried it would look too Christmassy. So I think I'm going to make just a couple small cavities with the green. I can use them for guest soap. Okay, I'm going to try and move these without messing them up. I'll just put them over to the side. And we're gonna I'm going to use my green and just put in these little cavities, and they can use them for a guest soap so we don't waste it. That'll give us a little baby one. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll be back to do the unmolding. I took and unmolded our Thieves Essential Oil soap, and they turned out pretty good. They got a little bit of a swirl and a couple different colors. I don't know if you can see that on the side. And they are a very powerful essential oil. I think I'm going to have to put them in a separate spot and not next to any other soap. But I think she'll like them. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.